Hey, there you are. Man, it's freezing outside. No, come on in. I didn't expect it to get that bad out already. How have you been? I feel like it's been forever since we've been able to hang out together. How's work going? Oh, work's been rough. You've been trying to get a promotion. Nice. That's great. Hopefully it works out for you. I know you've been working your ass off and putting in extra shifts. Well, at least so I've heard. But if your boss had half of a brain, they noticed the effort you've been putting in lately. Anyway, good for you, nerd. Oh, me? I've been actually working on a couple of projects. We just wrapped one up for a client, and they seemed really pleased with how it turned out. A raise? No, I'm not holding my breath. Feels like if you really want to bump up in the job, then you gotta jump ship entirely and find somewhere else to work. That means tons of hours studying for interviews and then get 5 rounds of long ass interviews just to get ghosted. Our parents had it way easier. Hey, I got an idea. Would you like some hot chocolate? Ah, yeah? Okay, great. I'll go make us some. Just go ahead and make yourself comfortable. Take your shoes off, take your coat off, stay a while, and I'll be right back. Alright, and here you go. I added some whipped cream and some of those little marshmallows, the mini marshmallows, because I know you really like them. Careful though, it's very hot. Look at the snow outside. Isn't it so pretty? I love it when it looks like this. The world hits pause for just a bit. Okay. Okay. Video game time. Alright, how about this? One match, no best of 3, and if I win, you tell me a secret. Okay. If you win, fine, I will tell you. What? You're nervous already? Relax. It's just Mario Kart. Let's see. I think I'll be Yoshi. And you're picking Bowser then, huh? Good luck to you. Which map do you want? Please don't say Rainbow Road. I swear that's just chaos and I fall off all the time. It's definitely the worst map. Oh, oh, come on, no way. No, absolutely not. That shell was illegal and you know it. Wait, did I just... Yeah, I won. Wow, I guess I still got it. Alright, rules are rules, mister. You owe me a secret. What? No backing out now. You agreed. One match, one secret. Hey, why are you suddenly so quiet? I'm not asking you for your bank password or anything. Just something real. Something you don't normally say out loud. Take your time. I'm listening. Oh. Uh, oh. Wow. Um, you felt that way for a while now? Hey, look at me. No, seriously, it's okay. I'm not freaking out. I'm just surprised in a good way. I guess part of me wondered sometimes the way you look at me when you think I'm not paying attention. How you always show up when I need you. How you never tease me about stuff that actually matters. You idiot. You could have told me. But I get it. Best friends, lines, ruining things, giving up all that we've been through, all that scary stuff. No, I don't think you ruined anything. And if I'm being honest, hearing that, it kind of makes my chest feel warm in a way I didn't realize I wanted. Guess that means I owe you a secret too, huh? Yeah, I thought about it. About you more than once. And maybe that's why I invited you over tonight in the first place. So, I guess Mario Kart really does change lives. I mean, it's definitely changed mine tonight. Man, listen to that wind out there. This storm is not messing around. I mean, I guess you're stuck here tonight. Don't look so glum. Are you really that upset at having to spend some extra time with me? Really? Wow. Okay, rude. I'll let you drink my good hot chocolate too. Alright. Alright, I'm kidding. What? Why do you look so nervous now? Hey, I'm not mad. I'm not uncomfortable. I'm just processing. It takes me a minute, but come on. Let's get you situated. You can take the bed, and I'll crash here on the couch. What? No, I'm not arguing with you. This is not up for debate. Oh. Oh. Do you want to sleep in the bed with me? I mean, yeah, okay. We can do that. If you want to. I'll just go slow. No pressure, no expectations. I mean, it's not weird, right? We've known each other forever. We've literally shared fries, clothes, secrets. One bed isn't gonna kill us. Just don't steal the blankets. I will fight you. You know, I'm kind of glad you came over tonight. Just two idiots, snowed in, figuring things out together. Good night, and sweet dreams.